I'm here in Raley, a very small village in Sikkim, living with the local Sikkimese family who are teaching me about daily life. And this morning I'm learning how to make ghee, Indian butter, straight from the cow in the garden. So we're going to learn how to do that. So the next stage of making the ghee, we have this wooden barrel made of pine wood, and we're going to churn it very slowly, just like. Oh, so we split. Okay, so that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you do it too quickly, it will splash out. So already you can see that the ghee, the milk, has turned into this thick, just substance, cheesy substance. Creamy butter. So the fresh ghee that we saw RP making then, the fresh butter, we boil that for around 30 minutes to 1 hour, and it turns into this thick, kind of fatty, thick butter. And Indians use this in almost everything they cook, and it has about 1,000 calories in one spoonful. So I'll be coming home very, very fat, I think.